Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, and an absolute treat for different type of stylized patterns that could equally be designed for shirts embroidery, for sweatshirt embroidery, for t-shirt embroidery, for kurti embroidery, for frock embroidery, for kameez embroidery, for sleeveless shirts embroidery, for blouse embroidery, and for even you can also use them for your maxi, jalebia, abaya, and different type of other uh, outerwears, or you can say the pairing along with your bottoms. And one more thing is that is which type of necklines could be designed with the help of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Then you can design bot neck dresses, V-neck dresses, square shaped dresses, rectangular shaped necklines, and many more other creativities as per your own choices. Now we will talk about the embroidery patterns. The embroidery patterns are inspired or are taken from the embroidery patterns like waterline embroidery, like sideline embroidery, like motif embroidery, like floral embellishment throughout. So different type of stylized patterns have been used. Now we will talk about that which type of fabric could be used to embroider these patterns. Then I would recommend you can use any type of fabric for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. That is, as per winter, you can use hard woolen fabric, pashmina, or you can say khatar, wool, corduroy, linen, and for summer you can say organic lawn, linen, cotton, and some breathable fabrics as well. For intermediate fabrics like intermediate winter, like intermediate summer, in between the weather conditions, you can use intermixed fabrics like cambric, cotton satin, and lighter touch of khadar and Arabian linen and Arabian lawn materials. So Mm, you can embroider them onto any fabric as per your choices or the weather conditions. Now we'll talk about the embroidery thread, which type of embroidery thread could be used to make them. Then the answer is again any embroidery thread. If you want to give a sleek and shiny touch, then you would use silky threads. If you want to give a matte and a plain touch, then I would recommend you to use Anchor or DMC as a thread. And if you want to give a thick 3D stylized pattern, then I would recommend you to use wool for embroidering these patterns. So I hope the design ideas and creativities of today's design collection are clear today. With this, allow me to leave. You don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, keep supporting us, keep loving us.